Welcome, I'm Mark. We're on the SLX 260 by Sea Ray. Let me show you where the battery switches are on this boat. So on the back of the boat at the transom on the port side, your battery switches are going to be on the inside wall. It's blue C switches. You have your engine battery switch. These turn, and your house battery switch, and then your emergency parallel switch as well. You want to put that on the green, leave it there. It's an automatic control relay.